Hey, what's going on, guys? This is a memory foam travel pillow. I love everything about this pillow. There's just one thing that I think I should let you know, but I'll get to that in a minute. First, I'm going to walk through all of the really good, positive things about it. So, first of all, I want to say I love that it comes in a travel carry bag. A lot of times you get these types of things, you unfold them and you can never get them back in the bag. This is so soft and compact that you can easily take it out and put it back in the bag when you're done with it. I love that it has this really nice contour. So when you're traveling, your neck and head just rests on it really well. I'll turn. Hopefully you can see it. So like my head sits on that contour back there just really easily. So I love that. It also has a Velcro strap, oops, on this side. So you have this little Velcro strap. I think this black thing that comes on here technically is just for shipping, but personally, I actually want to keep this on here. So when you go to wash this cover, and by the way, you can take this cover off and wash it when you need to. But so when you go to take this, or when you're actually using it, you can pull this over, and then you have this Velcro here, and it just velcros and stays right there really easily. It just feels really nice. I've used several other different like travel pillows, the airplane pillows, and they're basically like just the inflatable ones, and they're actually really uncomfortable. They kind of do the job. This one is way more than just doing the job. It just feels really nice on my neck, and I like to use it. So I've used several other types of travel pillows, and to me, basically, I just think of them as inner tubes that I put around my neck. Just because this one just feels so good. That memory foam, just I can't even tell you how nice it feels. It just contours so well. So I mentioned again that when you want to wash this outside, it has a zipper on the back of it. You just unzip it, and you can see the memory foam on the inside. And actually, so you can see the memory foam on the inside. Now squeeze it just so you can see how much it forms to everything. But anyway, so when you want to wash it, you unzip that, pull out the memory foam pad, and wash the pillowcase. But make sure you don't wash the memory foam pad. You don't want to do that. I think I read in the instructions that every once in a while you want to just go ahead and hang it up after you use it and then let it dry out, and it just refluffs and gets nice again. I think it would go back in there pretty easy after you wash it and zip it back up. You just get it repositioned and zip it. Now, I told you the one thing that I think could be better. It's not, I wouldn't even call it a negative really. It's just a fact of how the pillow is. Like I said, some of the inner tube ones, you can get some of those that compress a lot smaller. Like this does compress down really tight to travel and goes in your suitcase fine, but there are other ones that go down even smaller. So this one does end up being a little bit bigger than some of the inner tube ones, but I think it's worth it. You just have to plan a little bit better for your space when you're packing your suitcase. But in my opinion, totally worth it. Definitely, I love this thing and I plan on having it around like forever.